And for our last story, let's turn our focus to Uganda. The East African country is witnessing a mysterious outbreak, which has left hundreds of people shaking like they are dancing. The disease is called Dinga Dinga. It is causing people's bodies to tremble uncontrollably. Authorities, doctors and residents are searching for answers as the unexplained disease continues to spread. Our last report gets you more details on Uganda's mysterious dancing disease outbreak.
Authorities in Uganda are troubled by a new health concern. A new disease is on the spread in the East African country, which is making people uncontrollably shake like they are dancing. The mysterious disease is locally called Dinga Dinga, which also translates to shaking like one's dancing. The outbreak has been confirmed in the Bundibugyo district of Uganda's western region that borders the Democratic Republic of Congo. The disease was first reported a few months ago, and so far it has infected around 300 people, mostly women and children. Authorities say the outbreak has not spread to other districts and it has not caused any deaths or serious concerns. Those who have been the victims of the virus have felt weakness, fever, chills, severe exhaustion and also felt paralyzed. But the most peculiar of all symptoms is the uncontrollable trembling which has made people incapacitated and made basic activities like walking or sitting nearly impossible. The strange phenomena has left residents and doctors searching for answers, but the reason why people are bizarrely shaking remains unexplained. Health experts are conducting investigations to identify the cause. So far, they are treating the disease with antibiotics and most patients have recovered within a week. However, health officials have raised concerns that locals are resorting to traditional herbal medicines to ease symptoms. But doctors warn these remedies lack scientific evidence. To help fight the unexplained outbreak, Russia has also come to Uganda's aid. Russia's human welfare watchdog has said it is in touch with Ugandan health authorities over the disease. While the new dancing disease has baffled countries across the world, it is not the first time a dancing mania has come into light. There are many accounts of dancing plagues and mass hysteria in history, most particularly in Europe from 14th to 15th century, when in some bizarre events, people unexplainably danced spontaneously for several days, even to their death. The most documented event is the dancing plague of the year 1518, when residents of the city of Strasbourg, now in France, were struck by a sudden and seemingly uncontrollable urge to dance. As per reports, it claimed the lives of around 400 people, and the causes behind this plague still remain unknown. So while Uganda's outbreak is reminiscent of Europe's dancing plague, the continent of Africa is also not new to mystery diseases. The outbreak comes into light just at a time when neighboring DR Congo has clarified that a mysterious flu-like disease that has killed more than 143 people is in fact a case of severe malaria. The disease was being referred to as disease X for week. Not to forget, these diseases are surfacing when African nations are also fighting the Mpox virus. So be it malaria, Mpox or mysterious dancing virus, the year is wrapping up for Africa with a slew of public health concerns.